Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in the background in Canva. So basically in front of you can see this is interface of Canva, and I have imported an image which has a clean green background. So how I can remove it in the Canva? So basically guys, it's very easy to remove the green screen in the background. So if I click over the image, on the left side on the top I will see an option that is edit image. I have to click over that. As you can see in the first option, that is a background remover. So basically this is a feature of Canva that is paid. Yes, if I click over on this feature, you can see that it tell me to pay for this feature, to use this feature. So if you want to do it, you have to pay for this feature. Okay guys, okay, so I have paid for this feature in my another account. So let me show you how you can do it. So basically I will show you that how it's look after removing the background green screen. Okay, so as you can see here guys, that I have removed the background color, which is it is complete in white, and you can see that this image is complete white and complete transparent. So if I try to import here any image, you can see that I can image here, I can put any image that is overlay. Okay, so basically it's very easy to do that. Okay, just let me show you that how you can put image in the background. So if I send it to the back, see, it's totally easy. You can overlay any image, you can do whatever you want. So it's very easy feature, it's make your work very easy. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.